Ang housemates patuloy na kinikilala ang kanilang bisita.
Paano niyo po na-reach yung point na ganyan po kayo ka-confident?
Ako?
Yes.
Confident ba ako, Chat? Because I don't think I've buried myself, different versions of myself many times in the past. Wala naman ako dun sa But it's true, you know, I had to bury different versions of myself in the past to be able to embrace who I truly am today. Because I love myself today and I know that I've given myself over and beyond many times, whether that's to my career, for people to like me. Why don't you like me? Yung ganyan, yung bakit na arte yan sa akin, ano ginagawa? But I'm sure ngayon, madami pa rin na arte yan sa akin, di ba? Pero dahil masyado na akong nabugbog, parang hindi ko naman hahayaan na bugbugin niyo ako ulit, di ba? Maliit ako, pero standing tall ako. Madami na akong pinagdaanan sa buhay ko. Hindi ko nakahayaan na masaktan niyo ako. Parang ganon. So whether that sometimes I look like I'm confident, it's more of, I know my worth. So siguro yun yung vibe na nafe-feel niyo. But that comes with age and experience. So it's fine. Kung nasaktan ka, kung nagtiwala ka, tapos feeling mo na isahan ka, still it's fine. Thank you pa rin.
I'll be a better person. Oh my God, so much better one day. Parang ganun.
Amaze ako sa personality at saka sa mindset ni Miss Hart. Ang dami ko na natutunan sa kanya, kuya.
At the age of, how old was I? 37, 38 at the time. Medyo late. Na I really had to love myself first. I can't keep pleasing you. I can't keep making everyone happy. I can't keep buying everybody something just to keep a friendship. I can't, ano mo yun, yung parang feeling mo, binibili mo na lang na lahat ng tao para samahan ka kasi takot kang maging mag-isa. Eh ako, super fear ko yun eh. Takot ako maging mag-isa. During those moments is when I realized na I love them as much as I love me, but I have to love myself first in order for me to give more love to others.
Wow.